The only reason why it's hard to forgive other people, lalo na in cases like this, is simply because we're playing a very powerful, addictive game. And this is called being right. It is the biggest addiction in the world. Now, in that situation, sinong tama? Sila o ikaw?
Ako po.
Tama naman. Ikaw ang tama, di ba?
Yes.
Sinong mali?
Ano po sila?
Sila. Tama ka rin naman doon. Dahil yung pinanggagalingan mo, ako tama, ikaw mali, you're right, that becomes an addicting force, kaya ayaw mong bitawan. Kasi now, with that idea of being right, I can now look good, which is the second addictive game that people play. Na, okay lang ganito ang nangyayari sa akin kasi I have you to blame, kasi kasalanan mo to. Meron kang pwedeng pagsisihan. Well, you know na in the past, meron ka ding contribution. Meron kang hindi ginawa. Ito yung addictive dito. Kaya ayaw magpatawad. Kasi meron akong rason para maging irresponsible. Kasi ginawa mo sa akin to. And I don't want you to continue to go into that path. Kaya ang quality na sinasabi ko sa iyo is what? Forgiveness. And tama ka, forgiveness of self. Forgive. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng forgive? Another meaning ng forgive is this: para ibigay. Forgive. Para ibigay. Hindi lang sa iba, lalo na sa sarili.